Ever wondered how to make the perfect fluffy idli at home? Well, today we're diving into the world of South Indian cuisine to bring you the secret behind making these delightful, cloud-like rice cakes. A classic breakfast staple in many Indian households, idli is best enjoyed with a bowl of warming sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew, and a selection of chutneys. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of idli rice, 1 cup of Urad Dal, which is split black gram, and half a teaspoon of Fenugreek Seeds. You'll also need salt to taste and water for the batter. For the sambar and chutneys, you'll need to prepare a sambar with vegetables, a coconut chutney, and a tomato chutney. Start by rinsing the idli rice, urad dal, and fenugreek seeds separately. Soak all 3 in water for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. Once soaked, grind them together into a smooth batter, adding water as needed. Season your batter with salt and leave it to ferment overnight, or for 8 to 12 hours. Next, lightly grease your idli molds with oil or ghee, then pour a ladleful of batter into each mold. Steam the idlis for 10 to 12 minutes until they're fluffy and cooked through. Once they've cooled slightly, they can be removed from the molds. Now, onto the sambar and chutneys. For the sambar, cook lentils with vegetables, tamarind pulp, sambar powder, and salt. Add some flair with a tempering of mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, and red chilies. For the coconut chutney, blend coconut, green chilies, roasted gram, and salt. Add a tempering of mustard seeds, urad dal, curry leaves, and red chilies for an extra kick. Finally, for the tomato chutney, sauté tomatoes, onions, garlic, and red chilies. Blend them together and temper with mustard seeds, urad dal, and curry leaves. Voila! Your fluffy idlis are now ready to be served with a hearty sambar and an array of chutneys. If you enjoyed today's culinary journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more South Indian culinary delights. Happy cooking!